Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a simple price action strategy. And unfortunately I couldn't make a video yesterday since I was traveling out of town and I just got back this morning and hope I'm in the right mindset to take a trade. And also I haven't seen the market yesterday, so I have no idea what the condition of the market is. So I'm not sure if I'll be taking a trade or not. But however, let's look at the charts and then decide if we can take a trade. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're liking the videos, please don't forget to give the thumbs up so that others find out and also learn the strategy and so that they can also make money. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, we are now live on Euro USD, and let me just quickly analyze the chart so that we can find out if we have a trading opportunity or market is ranging market according to me. And on the short run, if you see, this is a uptrend market. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just quickly draw some key levels so that I have a better understanding of the market. Let me just delete all the previous levels. So I'll start off with the trend line. Starting from here, you can go about the trend has been broken here. You can expect the market to fall down again. Okay guys, as of now the market doesn't make sense to me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some time out to identify what's happening in the market, and then when I take a trade I'll explain you the trading setup. Guys, as you can see, I've taken a trade over here in the upward direction, and the reason I did that is because we can see that the market is starting to push the trend in the upward direction. I was expecting for a retracement trade over here, but the buyers have started becoming strong, and however, I guess we should have waited for the market to close above this level to take a trade. But anyhow, I believe that since it has closed above this level, I feel that the market should continue moving in the upward direction. So let's just wait and see how the trade goes, and then I'll explain you the setup. And we have lost this trade, guys. Yes, it's my fault. Let me just explain you the setup once again. And also you can see I have not moved to the Euro GBP since I feel that this is a good trending market. So there is good movement in candlesticks. It's a trending market. As you can see, it's a downtrend. The major trend is a downtrend. And so this was the retracement phase. I noticed something that the market is continuing to form new highs and new higher lows, as you can see. So that's the reason why I felt that this should have been a breakout candle. But another mistake that I did is that I should have respected this rejection from the market and not entered a trade here, since this was a strong rejection. I did not respect this rejection and I entered for a trade here. With this rejection, you can see the impact on the market downward movement. So what's my learning lesson here is that I need to wait for strong confirmations before I enter my positions. So as soon as I entered, the moment when I entered, the market hit this level, which was a rejected market, and I still decided to enter the trade, and I believe that's the reason why we lost this trade. And that is my lesson, to respect the market's rejection and take appropriate trades in the future. So as you can see, this is a spinning top and there is a bullish moment forming. So we can expect a breakout here in the future, and the market might continue moving in the upward direction, because I don't see any kind of indication that the market wants to reverse and move in the downward direction. Or maybe if market finds strong support from any of the above areas, the market can go downward direction. So that is it for the 5-minute trade, guys, today. And yes, my trading rules: 1 trade a day and I'm done. Doesn't matter if it's a loss or a profit. If I'm profit, I focus on the strategy that helped me win, and if it's a loss, I try to understand why I lost the trade. And so this rejection is something that I should have respected and should not have entered a trade. We should have waited for a more confirmation candlestick, something like this. As you can see, this was a resistance level, so the market broke above and there was no any rejection. So if you would have entered a trade here, 1 2 3 4 5, and we would have won the trade easily. So this was the setup I was looking forward to trade, but unfortunately we could not find, and it was my mistake to open a trade with the rejected market. So hope you learned something from my loss, guys, and you can apply the same while you're trading. So if you see any kind of rejections like this from the market, do not try to take a trade. So that is it for the 5-minute trade session, guys. Thank you for being around, and I wish you all a good day. Let's come back tomorrow and hope for a better trade. Goodbye, guys.